Okay. I lost on time. I didn't have time to calculate. Mike, here you're not playing very active chess. I will not have problems to develop my pieces. It's something like London. Ah, bishop f5 was better, but in any case, let's go here. Mike is not doing very active moves. Now it's a little painful for him. Mike is not, don't care, or he cares actually. Let's take. Okay, I'm protecting the pawn. Mike would like to attack. Oh my goodness. Maybe. I can't move my c-pawn. Okay. Mike is playing better. Yeah, he won me. Flaming him. Yeah, I flagged. My flag went down. It was completely wrong idea what he did actually. We can play again. He didn't play good moves actually. You don't understand that he didn't play good moves? Come on, Mike, what are you doing here? My pieces are not playing. His next move is something like g4. Mike has good position here. Maybe I need to do something really fast, but I'm going to run away from Mike's attack. Running away. Yeah, strong attack. Everybody will take something, right? But I'm afraid of that check. Maybe I can go first here. Okay. See a check, give a check. I didn't see that one. What he's threatening? The pawn at least. I didn't play correctly. He's going to win me here. Maybe I need to play this one. Yeah, maybe. Oh, very dangerous. Again, I should be more focused actually, okay. I should be more focused. Yeah, I don't know if he's going to see everything. Let's play this. This is a move. My move wasn't right, but Yeah, he saw this one as well. Check there. Whoa! He played very nicely. But right now I have some threats, I guess. Check there here. Maybe. Yeah, maybe I can flag him, but who knows. Check. Make things tricky. Oh, I cannot take there. Shit. I cannot go there. It's okay, he played very nicely. I can flank him maybe, but okay. Mike, you played nicely, okay. I little underestimate your attack, okay. Wow. With this system, let's play. Mike won the game. He calculated nicely. Okay. This is not good. Mike make a mistake. Maybe he did this one in order to attack, right? Okay. Why he didn't give a check here, I don't understand. I blundered. I have a check on b5. Whew. I have a check here, buddy. Luckily enough. Or he's going to... But I didn't see it, so we have some problems again. Okay, Mike is playing extremely aggressively. Come on, Mike, are you serious right now? He would like to checkmate me. Okay. I just developed my pieces and now I will have the attack. Okay, Mike, I'm coming. Yeah, you can play moves like this. Mike is playing extremely aggressive chess today. He has the spirit. The attacking spirit. Wow. Overprotection. Or maybe this one. More aggressive. I don't know. Mike is happy. From his win. He deserved it. He played nice chess. Okay, oh, I didn't play that one. I saw this before. And I say, no, I should not play this one. Okay. What he's going to do now? He didn't see this one. He had checked to take my queen. And I said, okay, it was a mistake what I did, but alright. I'm not very careful today. check. Let's go here. Again, it's not. I have maybe this. Taking without fear. Taking without fear, but I played very, very bad. Yeah, you played a mistake. I was lucky. I was very lucky. Woo. Wow. What games. Very, very lucky. Ta-dum. Okay, Mike, you can't resign right now. I'm not a guy who missed these things. Ah, you played this one. Ah, he just resigned. Yeah, I can win this. Okay, let's play 2 more games, right? Because you played there something and you didn't play correctly. Let's play. Then I'm going to play with this stupid guy. The other one. Regin, or what is the name? I don't believe that this is a good system actually. C5 is another option. But okay, let's play this. Okay, let's exchange the bishops. And now let me do something else. Castling, and now I'm going to play bishop to f5. And I think you don't have any opening advantage at all. You don't have opening advantage, so this is not good system. Oh my hands! Where this came from? Long castling. Mike has some ideas here. Okay. Long castling. Mike, did you read somewhere this thing actually? What is this one? I can take, and you have to take with a pawn or something, I can understand, because I'm threatening this at the end, so I don't know what you're going to play. Haha. And now I can win this. I can block everything. Okay, I'm going to take here, I'm going to develop my pieces, and I think I have very nice position. This is my feeling. This one, you have to play something like a 4, maybe I can exchange queens here, and if this is not a game over, positionally, what should be, right? Mike, you're not playing very nice chess right now. On attack you're good, but positionally you have a lot of problems. Yeah, you can try some things, but at the end of the day, your bishop will be extremely bad there. And the funny part will start. Yeah, give me your pawns. Give me all of your pawns. Now, maybe some tricks. Okay, let's go bravely. I didn't expecting that. I was expecting this one, because now you don't have anything at all. And he would like to play what? Go somewhere. I'm going to lose the rook there, so let's go here, I guess. Yeah, I need to be careful a little bit, but this position is completely winning. Completely winning positionally. I need to play fast, but it's completely winning. I'm going to exchange rooks, then I can go on e4, I can play g6 after this. It's 100% winning. So easy, very easy. Because he just played check is nothing, right? Yeah, this one, maybe this one later, and yeah, he don't have time. Just in time. Don't play this opening, it's not like this. You should play something else. It's not Queen's Gambit, this one, what you played, right? Or you're playing with the wrong way, actually, the Queen's Gambit. Okay, I should be careful, actually, because don't play again Queen C8, you're going to blunder the pawn. Play something normal. Do you know the theory? We don't know the theory. Maybe I'm going to say the theory after your move. I'm waiting your move. This is not the theory, actually, because I can take the pawn and I can take it. I'm threatening the knight. You should play this one before e6. Now I think I'm completely winning. Maybe it is a very fast checkmate. Bishop here. Knight there. Yeah, okay, this is check, obviously, the rook is hanging. What are you going to play? Yeah, disaster, Mike, disaster. Completely disaster. Why you played like this? Okay, you're losing material. Or you're going to play this craziness? I don't know. Mike is believing to his position. Everything is coming right now. But the first game you played it very nicely. You had very nice attacking ideas. Come on, I'm threatening some things here. You can resign now. Why you are continue playing? You don't have this move. Come on, this move, because I can take the rook. This move, it's another check actually there. Do I have something better? I don't know. Check is nice, right? Let me create a tactic, even a simple tactics. I'm threatening the knight, buddy. Okay.
If you like this video, you're very welcome to follow me on Twitch, live streamings every Tuesday and Thursday, 1900 Greek time. Be there.